Coloradans who want to get the COVID vaccine are still struggling to get it, despite the state trying to work around roadblocks put up by the anti-vaccine activists who are leading health policy for the Trump administration these days. Our Spencer Soysher found trouble is particularly persistent for doctors' offices and people on federally regulated insurance plans.
In a lot of ways, the lockdowns of 2020 seem like forever ago. But in at least one way, it really doesn't.
It does in a way.
At Sapphire Pediatrics in Denver, there's a big commonality: trying to get the COVID vaccine.
You just keep telling those patients here, hang on, we're trying to get it, hang on, we're trying to get it. And
Pediatrician Elizabeth Hemphill says until today, her practice has been unable to get this year's vaccine.
It is a hot mess. Yeah.
Big picture, it's absolutely a confusing time for COVID-19 vaccines.
In 2020, you probably saw state epidemiologist Rachel Herlihy on TV. And in 2025, after federal vaccine policy was dismantled, she and Governor Jared Polis stepped in with an emergency order geared at giving Coloradans better access.
Well, I've been hearing good things about people being able to get it.
While adults in Colorado may be getting the shots easier, young kids, Hemphill says, are less protected.
Most pharmacies will do it only for kids who are 2 years and up. So the 6 months to 2 years, they're kind of at a loss.
And that's not the only group left out. State-regulated insurance plans should cover it, but federally regulated won't, at least until the CDC makes a recommendation.
And we have about 30% Medicaid patients here in this office.
That includes the Vaccines for Children program, too.
Which is a program that we administer here in Colorado, but it is with federally provided vaccine.
And while Colorado may have easier access than many, there are shades of 2020 right now, where not everyone who wants a vaccine can get one.
It's really frustrating because, yeah, they fixed it for adults, but did they fix it for kids? Not really.
That Vaccine for Children's program will not ship vaccines to doctors until the CDC issues final guidelines. The people we spoke with today think part of the delay was the uncertainty for all this to begin with was because smaller practices didn't want to be on the hook for thousands of dollars in vaccines if they were not going to be reimbursed.
Sure, I mean, that makes sense. But I bet everybody's optimistic this will be sorted out soon.
Oh yeah, really soon. And there's no indication of when the CDC is going to rule on this. And then again, when do you get your shipments? What do you order? Yeah. There's just so many moving parts with this stuff.
Yeah, I think as families are sorting this out, whether they want to get the shot, whether individuals want to get the shot, you don't always think like, well, what's my doctor sorting out on his or her end, right? All right, Spencer Soysher, thank you.